I did it. Look at this. Come on, y'all. Dutch babies are the easiest way to cook brunch pancakes for a crowd, no flipping required. What the heck is a Dutch baby? It's kind of a cross between a fluffy pancake meets a crepe. When you prepare the batter, you can make it in a bowl with a whisk, or you can go even easier and make it in a food processor or a blender. A great tip is to have your ingredients at room temperature. This just makes for a better batter. You can blend it for about 10 seconds, scrape the sides, and then give it another 10 to 15 seconds. The next tip is to get your skillet hot. So I like to do this while I melt the butter in the skillet, so I put them both in the oven. I like to do this after the batter is made. That way the batter has a chance to rest for a few minutes. The resting allows the flour to be absorbed into the batter, and it just makes for a fluffier pancake. All right, our skillet's hot. Give the butter a good swirl, and then we pour the batter into the hot pan. I did it. Look at this. Come on, y'all. This is perfect. And I'll show you several ways to serve it, but the classic, simple way is just a little powdered sugar and a little squeeze of lemon. And all you have to do is cut little wedges. I mean, to be honest, a serving this size is only gonna serve like 2 or 3 people. It looks big, but you know, we didn't use that many ingredients. It's just like eating one large crepe. With Dutch babies, you gotta kind of go in right away. No dilly-dallying around here. Perfect bite. You know, like the edges of like French toast that are kind of a little bit eggy but crisp on the outside? That's what this perfect bite is all about. It's just like a light, airy piece of goodness. This is amazing. A fun thing to do is just to make one big Dutch baby and serve it with a variety of toppings. You can top it old school style with just some berries and syrup. You can also go savory with this, okay? The batter itself is not that sweet. The powdered sugar is what elevated that. You could leave that off and serve it with things such as ham or smoked salmon and some savory cheese. I'm telling you, you've got to try Dutch babies on your next lazy Sunday morning. It's perfect. It's just like a pancake, but way easier. I'd love to know what you want to see me teach you how to make next. I'm here teaching You Can Cook That twice a week, so be sure you're subscribed so you never miss a thing. And when it comes to the Dutch baby, you can cook that. Dutch baby.